Hi guys, if your voice typing duplicate text on your iPhone, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is just go to this gear shift icon settings, and once you go to settings home page like this, just go to general, tap on general and scroll down and find keyboard. Here it is, tap on keyboard, and now just go to enable dictation option, turn it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on again and try again. Your problem will be fixed. If this does not fixes your issue, what you can do, let's move to second method. Just go back to the settings home page, and this time just go to settings and accessibility, tap on it, and now just tap on voice control. If the voice control is turned on, just turn off. In my case it is not set up. If it is set up in your case and it's turned on, turn it off and see whether it works for now. If this also does not work, then just restart your phone and then see if it works or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.